ground is soft as a dust cloud develops. The dust color blends with the light to create a dramatic red-orange effect. The excavator rotates 180 degrees, bringing the bucket into position. The sharp tilt causes rocks to spill down, filling the crusher's mouth. Do you want to own a machine like this? If so, leave a comment and I will give it to one lucky person. Haha. Pick-and-place robots operate continuously, repeating precisely thousands of times per hour. No deviation, no missing details. A hair-thin EDM wire moves through a tank of water, burning the metal with electrical sparks. The cut is so smooth that even from an angle, you can't see the teeth marks. The combine harvester moves through the field, its blades sweeping away rows of rice. The golden grains are separated right in the machine compartment and fed straight into the bin, surprisingly neat and fast. Drones spray pesticides not only help farmers reduce their workload, it turns plant care into an automatic process, fast, safe, and extremely modern. How much did they spend on a machine like this? "500 tons of pressure is enough power to crush, bend, and stamp any industrial material. Did you find these videos interesting? Please give them a like and subscribe. The plasma cutter lowered its tip onto the steel surface. Sparks flew instantly, slicing through the thick steel like a pie. A complete packaging line is a combination of speed, sensors, and robots. Comment 1 if you also want a can of beer. The label roll rotates continuously, passing each label through the applicator. Each product that passes through is a label placed down precisely to the millimeter. The robots work in parallel: the food picker, the lid closer, the bin filler. A completely automatic and clockwork process. Previously, milking by hand was a manual method for the cattle farming industry, but now automatic machines have replaced human hands. What do you think about the effectiveness of human hands compared to this automatic milking system? Fruits run down the conveyor belt. Cameras scan each fruit 360 degrees. The AI system analyzes color, size, and ripeness in a split second. The worker places the saw blade on the marked edge. A clean cut is made, so straight that no sharpening is required. The machine runs along the contour, cutting deep and shallow in layers. The 3D shape gradually emerges from the flat wood in an extremely pleasing way. The super long breaker reaches up to tens of meters, approaching the high-rise wall. The hydraulic breaker head touches the concrete and it breaks up, falling like hail down below. Please contact me in the description if you need this machine. The whole strip of potatoes was pulled up in a continuous stream. The soil fell back into the field, and the golden potatoes rolled smoothly on the moving conveyor belt. The component is picked up by the vacuum head. The robot rotates slightly to adjust the angle, then places it on the pad with an accuracy of just a few microns. A mining truck taller than a house rolled out of the quarry. Its wheels were as big as rooms, each turn heavy and powerful. The cutter head rotates with enormous torque, pressing straight into the cliff. Each rotation is a layer of rock crushed into dust, opening up a new tunnel right before their eyes. Does anyone wonder where they will dispose of the pile of earth and rock they just dug up? Is anyone as skeptical about the functionality of this machine as I am? If welding iron and steel is an art, then the welder is truly an artisan. Do you agree with me that the combination of human hands and machine tools in handicraft is the most perfect combination? Precision is also a must if we want to become stone sculptors. The job requires meticulousness and extreme precision. These specialized machines will help us clean the most difficult places in our homes. Electrical junction box production line. long trench was dug parallel to the road. This was the first step in laying the steel frame for the new concrete strip. The cut was nearly 2 meters long, but she kept the machine running as smoothly as if it were on rails. The view from inside the cabin shows that everything seems slow, but is actually extremely precise. Some people drive tractors to plow the fields, and she drives like she's keeping the spirit of a race. This is a dedicated hydraulic stump cutter. When clamped down, all the force is put into the blade at the bottom, allowing the stump to be broken in just a few seconds. The excavator's long arm allows the operator to reach high tops without climbing.
注意看，机器操控巨大的旋转圆盘不断下压。
Vibrations reach thousands of oscillations per minute, yet are precisely controlled so as not to break the plant. Raw power combined with refined technology, true to modern agricultural standards.